group discussion on Mahatma Gandhi. As we know that today is the 2nd October and why we are here.
If I talk about the event and these kind of things, so that is the things which is related to the Mahatma Gandhi and Mahatma
These kinds of work and about the agriculture, so he has always represent something. So first monkey is represent
by the greenness. We very
Everyone. Good morning. How are you all? I'm also doing great. My name is Pooja and today we are going to gather here to play a game, group discussion on Mahatma Gandhi. As we know that today is the 2nd October and why we are here, right? So we are going to discuss about like why we celebrate this day and what is the importance of this day so that the people will get to know more about Mahatma Gandhi. So I would like to start by myself first so that the people will get the idea about that what we have to speak, right? So guys, we all know that why we celebrate this day. The first thing is that just because of the Mahatma Gandhi. Today is the day of Mahatma Gandhi. And if I talk about when he born, so he born on 2nd October 1869, right? The name Mahatma, from where it came. So as per my opinion, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, we all know about that, right? So he is the one who used Mahatma first time in the preference of Mahatma Gandhi, right? Because he is a great soul. He always think about the people's, regarding the people thoughts and the beliefs. He never concerned about himself, and that's why he had done a lot of activity regarding our nation, and that's why we can say that the Mahatma Gandhi nowadays also known as a nation of our father. Why he knows the nation of our father? Because he had done a lot of activity in the past time. If I talk about, so one moment, quit India, right? We heard about that Bharat Chodo Andolan, right? So there we get to know that what kind of a thing we have to do to just get a freedom fight from the Britishers. And he had done a lot of movements, and just because of that he went to the prison as well, but still he never gone to the wrong path. It means he always be a calm person, and he always helped the poor people, and he fight against the discrimination and many more things. So we are going to continue with this discussion. So let's start with the other one. Thank you.
Hello to all. Hello. How are you? Good are you? My name is MT Khurshid, and today we are celebrating as a 2 October as a Gandhi Jayanti. But every year we celebrate as a Gandhi Jayanti, but we do not know how to we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti. But if I talk about it, the event General Assembly is announced 15 June 2007, and it adopted a resolution and we celebrate International Day as a non-violence, because he is a non-violent freedom fighter, and he is also known as the father of nation. The title was given by the Subhash Chandra Bose, and it is great. And if I talk about Mahatma Gandhi, he is born on 2 October 1869, and if I talk about, he is a great lawyer, Indian lawyer, and there are lots of movements is started. That's it.
Okay, so good morning guys. Good morning. How are you all? Good. Yeah, I'm also good. So today we are here to discuss about the Mahatma Gandhi. So we all know about the Mahatma Gandhi. He was a great freedom fighter of our country, and he was the persons who always believe in the truth, and he was the persons who always believe in the non-violent persons, and he was started a lots of the movements in our country, and by that movements we are getting our freedoms, and we are getting a lots of the things like the Namak Andolans. In the Namak movements we are getting a free of course Namaks in our country by the British rules, because in the British are also capture you can say that the Namaks, this kind of things. So that's why we are getting this kind of salt in a very good way. If I talking about the other things like the Satyagraha movements, he was started by the Mahatma Gandhi, and in the Satyagraha movements is totally based on the truth, and we are the against of the inviolent and these kind of things. So that is the things which is related to the Mahatma Gandhi. And Mahatma Gandhi is one kind of person. He was always following the peace and always following the calm times of persons, because he believe in the truth, and he believe in the faith. So that is the things which is related to the Mahatma Gandhi. So today we are celebrating the Mahatma Gandhi, and we have to grateful for our Mahatma Gandhi, because we are right now we are seated over there, and we are living in a freedomly way just because of the Mahatma Gandhi. So that's all.
Okay, so good morning all of you. Good morning. How are you? Good. I'm also good. So I'm Rachna. So why we are here? Because we are discussing about the Mahatma Gandhi. So firstly, I wanna say his full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. And why we say to Mahatma Gandhi? Mahatma is a Sanskrit word, and its meaning of great soul. So we all are know about he had lot of great souls, like because he had done lot of the great work for us, and he had done their education from the London, and lot of the works he had started, and he has started their wear to cotton clothes also, and khadi and jute also. So these kinds of work. And about the agriculture, so he had supported lot of the things about the agriculture, who were from the agriculture field. He had supported them. So that was a great role of the Mahatma Gandhi, because we all know about he also known as National of the Father, because he had done lot of the works, and he had done lot of the motivation also. And I can be say right now he's a motivation for us, because when we think about him, so that time we get some of the points from their side. So that is a good point. And about their nature, so it was very polite nature, and he always understand about the people's nature, what they are thinking, how we can be helped together. And by the Mahatma Gandhi we get freedom by the Britishers. So it was great thing. Thank you.
Okay, good morning to everyone. Today, we celebrate as a Gandhi Ji Jayanti, and we know that in that day, Gandhi Ji was born, and we can say that when we think about the Gandhi Ji, so we always remember that how Gandhi Ji fighted to the British rulers, and how we got the freedom. Firstly, whenever I see the Bapu Gandhi on the in the every currency, in Indian currency especially, and I always thought that he was the great man. He is the one of that who is the famous person. And by this Gandhi Ji, we can always remember three monkey in our mind. We can say that the three monkey always represent something. So first monkey is represent that don't see negative things, and don't speak wrong, and don't hear something wrong. So this kind of the monkeys, statues, symbol, this kind of the things. And we always
So good morning all of you. Good morning. So today is Gandhi Jayanti. You know that why are you together speak two line of the Gandhi Jayanti, because that if talk about why Gandhi Ji, it's important for our side. That previous time we haven't knowledge of the education, equality and power, because Gandhi Ji taught lots of things, how to encourage ourselves, believe on yourself, we can do everything, because first of all you believe on yourself. That I can speak only one thing, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. He started by the Modi Ji, PM Modi. So he is started by 2 October 2014 and till ending date 2 October 2019. Until it is not successful, that India has lots of people. So that's why reason it is not easy how to clean India. That clean India and green India, it is very important, because by the greenness we very easily taking oxygen. It is very important. And clean, because that sometime foreigner also comes our country and state, every state. Why? Because I think some people's all, we can say foreigner also make a video how to live in this country, because how to people. So that's why reason nowadays India, it's very developing. That last time G20 also happened, that so some PM came to India and tribute to Gandhi Ji, and it is very a good moment for our side, because as a Indian, as a child, because if talk about as a student, that education is most important for our side. How? Because by the education we can achieve everything. That if talk about Canada, Indian people has too much counting in Canada. So that's what it is amazing.